Welcome to all. We, Malayalam option of NSS Training College Changanasheri proudly presents the faith and worship of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, the land of God. It is a northern Indian state in the Himalayas. There are various Shaktipeeth and religious places due to which Himachal is called Devabhoomi. According to ancient Indian mythology, the Himalayas were born from the tresses the Lord Shiva. They were created to protect the earth from Ganga Devi when the great river flowed down to earth from heaven. Both Vedic and Puranic gods are still worshipped here in accordance to ancient rituals and rites. An essential aspect of his heritage is the focus on native gods, which was an integral part of the belief systems of the earliest tribal groups. Most gods and goddesses are seated in a chariot form. The size of it varies slightly according to the religion. In Himalayas, 95% of the population is Hindus, and Buddhism has also made inroads into the state thanks to the nearness to Tibet and presence of the Dalai Lama at Dharmashala. Hindu pilgrimages. Thaku Temple. Located atop Thaku Hill, the temple is a sacred place for the Hindu community of India. It is dedicated to Hindu monkey god Hanuman. Legend and myth suggest that the monkey lord Hanuman rested here while on his search for the Sanjeevani Bodhi. The next is Tara Devi Temple. The Tara Devi Temple is a holy place located 11 km away from the Shimla bus stand. It is positioned amid a thick forest of oak and offers scenic views of the lofty Himalayas surrounding the town. The another one is Chamunda Devi Temple. Nearly 10 km from Palampur lays the ancient temple of Chamunda Devi on the banks of the Banur River. The temple, counted among 51 Shaktipeethas, is dedicated to Chamundeshwari Devi, one of 7 Mantrikas. The next is Jwalamukhi Temple. The Jwalamukhi Temple is an important Shaktipeeth. This is where Sati's tongue is said to have fallen. Legend says that it was spotted by a young shepherd when it burst into flames, hence the name Jwala, which means flames. The another one is Tripura Sundari Temple. The Tripura Sundari Temple is an ancient shrine of great historical importance. It stands out because of its striking pagoda-like architecture, which is said to have been inspired from the Hidimba Temple in Manali. So, let's move to the most important temple in Himalaya, that is Hidimba Temple. While Hindus across the nation are worshipping 9 avatars of goddess Durga during Navaratra, people and tourists in Manali are worshipping Hidimba, the demon, who has its temple here. Long queues of people outside the temple can be seen round the year, but the crowd doubles during Navaratra. The next is Kaleshwar Mahadev Temple. About 15 km from Pragpur, the riverside Kaleshwar Mahadev Temple has a lost peace that now permits very few successful holy places. The another one is Ram Temple. Here, sighting right across another traditional temple famous for its hot springs. Ram Temple attracts visitors with its intricate stone carvings. Move on to the Buddhist pilgrimages. The first one is Dharmashala. Outside of Tibet, Dharmashala are considered the Mecca of Tibetan Buddhism. So, it is a very important Buddhist pilgrimage and perched on the commanding overlooking the vast Kangra Valley, Dharmashala, lower on the hill. The next is Birbilling Tibetan Colony. Not far from Palampur, at a distance of about 30 km, is a Buddhist colony of Tibetans at Bir. The another one is Lahaul Valley. A spiritual land, Lahaul is truly for those who want to experience Buddhism as it has been practiced for centuries. The next is Tabo. White clay mountains escort you into Tabo village as you drive from Kasa or approach it from Shimla Kasa road. Move on to the Sikh pilgrimages. The important one is Manikaran Gurudwara. There is a pilgrimage center for Hindus and Sikhs. The Hindus believe that Manu recreated human life in Manikaran after the flood, making it a sacred area. It has many temples and Gurudwara. The next is Ravalsar. Ravalsar Sahib is a small Gurudwara built in the honor of Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru of Sikhism. Move on to the Christian pilgrimages, and the important one is Kasauli, still unspoiled and very much as the British left it 50 years ago, has a fine old church. And the next one is Stone Church of St. John, lies on the motorable road between 8 km from Lower Dharmashala. And the third one is the first Catholic edifice of Shimla, St. Michael's Church, was built in 1850. Move on to the Islam pilgrimages. Move on to the Islam pilgrimage, that is Dargah Gora Chowki. 90 years old Hazrat Baba Stotri Dargah Sharif, located at Gora Chowki near Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. And next is Old Mosque. Shimla is home to numerous religious destinations, and one of them is the very important Old Mosque. The faith and worship of Himalayas is tremendous. Now we know most important are the Himalayas, the vast range in North India, to which countless ascetics have retired for a life of seclusion and austerity. So we understand the Himalayas and its faith and worship. Thank you. Have a nice day.